Good morning, everyone. Today is 17th of October, and I'm Shuchi Rumta here presenting the morning market update. The Nifty opened gap up on global cues on Friday and couldn't get past the important resistance levels, and we saw a decent sell off from the highs to close at 17,185. Technically speaking, the markets are in no man's land, and a constant fight between the bulls and the bears is what we see. There is a lack of clear trend on the short term charts where Nifty is just oscillating between the range of 16,900 to 950 on the downside and 17,300 to 400 zone on the upside. We have been constantly highlighting this in our morning market update that not to be overwhelmed with the gap ups and gap downs in the markets and stick to the levels clearly. On the downside, the 200 exponential moving average has been a rock solid support and market has taken supports multiple times near it. The short term averages slope is down, prices are trading below the averages and RSI is still below 50. So unless we have a clear close beyond these levels, no clear trend and momentum. Talking of sectors, most of the sectoral indices are just right at the short term moving averages, acting as resistance, and clearly leadership is lacking in the broader markets. The option chain indicates call writing at higher strike prices of 17,200 and 17,500, whereas lot of unwinding on the 17,000 call has been seen. 17,000 put strike has good open interest outstanding. Coming to international markets, the follow up buying, which we awaited to confirm the bottom, clearly lacked, and we saw a decent sell off, losing 50% approximately the gains post the data release. SGX Nifty trades 145 points down now, hinting a gap down opening. To conclude, it is the acid test week for Nifty. With the earnings season, India's outperformance in the past, international markets, bond yields, a clear trend will be established once the break of either side takes place, which can accelerate a quick fall or rise. One can focus on some stock specific actions, that too with a strict risk management and hedged leverage positions. Levels for the day, Nifty support will be seen at 16,950 and 16,750. Resistance 17,150 and 17,300. Bank Nifty support will be seen at 39,200 and 38,450. Resistance 39,600 and 39,900. Thank you and have a great trading day.